Hi everyone, today on Simply Maha we're going to be making In-N-Out's famous animal style fries, covering them with cheese, grilled onions, and I'll be showing you how to make the official In-N-Out spread, so let's get started. I'm covering my potatoes with some ice, water, and baking soda. As you know, this is my tip for getting your potatoes very nice and crispy. So we're just going to put a heaping tablespoon of baking soda on there, get that covered really well, and just let that hang out for about an hour or two, minimum of 1 hour, maximum 4 hours. You can change the water every now and then. And now for our sauce, you just want to chop up 3 large onions. 2 are going to be for your spread, and 1 of them is going to be for your fries. You want to throw in some butter, salt, and a little bit of sugar. Now all the ingredients are going to be down in the description along with the measurements. Now you want to caramelize these onions, not like that, but like this. You want them really nice and dark. They're going to be really nice and sweet. And now you just want to chop up 2 dill pickles, nice and fine. No bread and butter, honey. No sweet pickles. You want the dill pickles here, nice and fine. And then you will need some mayo, ketchup. Now In-N-Out does not put mustard in theirs. I just like it for a little bit of tanginess. Then gonna add some chives and the pickles. If you don't have chives, you can use green onions. We're gonna add some Worcestershire sauce, about 2 tablespoons, and salt and pepper to taste. And finally, you are gonna get most of your onions and put them in the sauce. Now this is what makes the sauce so good. That nice caramelized, smoky, sweet flavor from the onions. It just really brings this home. And let me tell you, this was the exact replica, if not better. You just want to set that aside, let that chill. You want to fry your potatoes. And now we just assemble. You want to salt and pepper them really well. And you want to get some cheese. I'm using cheddar. Ideally, I would have liked to use the American sliced cheese. It's just thinner, and I felt like it would melt a lot easier, but this is what I had. And now the rest of my onions. And then you want to put this under your broiler on low, bottom rack. You don't want to burn these like your girl did. Just a little bit burned, but it's fine. It ended up being so good. You just want to pile all that spread on top, serve it with some ketchup. And if you don't want to eat this right away, because it should, or that cheese won't be melty, I would suggest using the queso cheese, the melted kind, just so it won't harden back together. So that's the recipe. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I did. Please show me all your remakes and tell me if it's the real deal. I'll see you next time on Simply Maha, where we are simple but never basic. Bye-bye.